I went ahead and bought this really basic fixed TV wall mount and wanted to hook up a flat panel TV to the wall without spending a lot of money. And also I just wanted a real simple one that did not need tilt or any other fancy attachments on it. So this is what I picked here. It's got the basic frame. Two arms are going to be attached to my television set and be able to just lock it in place real easy. Here's everything you're going to get inside this kit. All of these screws here are very handy because different TVs have different size bolts in the back. So you're going to have a set that is going to fit every type of TV. All kinds of different sizes here, from metric 8 by 45 millimeter all the way down to metric 6 and even smaller metric 4. So all kinds of sizes for those screws. You're going to get anchors that are going to go on the wall. So you've got these really thick steel bolts here. You've also got plastic anchors here if you've just got some soft wall to go into, if you can't hit a stud. You've got all kinds of spacers here. These might be needed to space your television off the bracket. So you've got plastic spacers as well. All kinds of parts comes with this. Even it's got a level here that they give you. So when you're mounting this up on the wall, it's got a little clip here. You're just going to be able to set this thing on here and make sure that it's level so your TV mounts level as well. All the parts here are powder coated. Really good. It's all made out of steel. It's real strong. Your little thing here has a magnet built into it so that little level will hold in place on this steel real easily. So it comes in two halves because when it's spread out on the wall, it's going to cover about 2 feet across. That's going to be 24 inches. It's going to allow you to at least find a stud somewhere in your path. So you're going to connect this thing here like this. They're going to give you a couple more bolts. Just going to connect those there. And now with this thing here up against the wall, you've got enough spacing here that you're going to find a stud and be able to nail that stud through one of these holes here all the way across. So that's really the objective here, to have this thing 2 feet across. So that way you can for sure get this thing nice and firmly mounted to the wall, okay? When you've got that part put together and mounted on the wall, the simple task here is to take these two arms using these very extensive amount of slots and holes here. You're going to match this up to the back of your television set, mount those on, and these little hooks here are what's going to just hook onto this frame here like this, just like that, and that's going to hold it in place. So it's not going anywhere. And then if you don't have it completely centered, you can slide these here. And then when you get it into the spot that you want, you can tighten it down here at the bottom by using this pull cord. It's going to pull down this little clip here. And that's going to lock it in place so this thing won't come off. You can have someone push on the TV and it won't fall off the back of the mount. So that's it. That's how this very simple mount works. I hope this helps you get your flat TV screen up on the wall just the way you want it. Hope you have a great day.